Is your Galaxy A05 camera on strike? Don't worry, I've got your back. First up, try restarting your phone. A simple reboot can work wonders for minor glitches. Next, check for software updates. Head to Settings, tap Software Update, and install any available updates. Still no luck? Reset your camera app settings. Open the camera app, go to Settings, and hit Reset Settings. Confirm with a tap on Reset. Now clear the camera app's cache and data. Go to Settings, tap Apps, find Camera, then Storage. Clear cache and clear data. Double-check your camera permissions. Go to Settings, Apps, Camera, then Permissions. Make sure Camera is enabled. If the camera app is using too many resources, navigate to Device Care under Settings and manage your memory. Close any conflicting apps. As a last resort, perform a factory data reset. Go to Settings, General Management, Reset, and choose Factory Data Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions. If the issue still persists, it might be a hardware problem. Contact Samsung support or a repair service.